Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys how can you easily turn off restricted mode on YouTube. So if there is some type of content or something on YouTube that is hidden from you and you want to unveil, today in this video I'll show you exactly how, so let's jump right into it. Since we're going to use the YouTube app, open your Play Store or App Store. Let's make sure we have the YouTube application updated to the latest version, or at least have one of the newer versions to ensure everything runs smoothly in the process. After that, let's quit the store. Of course, now open YouTube. You have to be logged into your account basically, and we start by tapping the profile picture at the bottom right here. Now from here, let's go to settings. Tap on the gear icon in the top right corner, and then here just tap on general, and the setting should be right here. It's not showing now. Let's go ahead and go back and then go to general again. Yeah, here it is now. As you can see guys, it says restricted mode. Let me go ahead and do it one more time. Yep. As you can see, it says restricted mode right here, and the toggle is switched on. That means our account is on restricted mode. If I want to deactivate that mode, I can just tap on it and then switch it off. And just like that, I have deactivated or basically turned off restricted mode on YouTube. Now, if you want to do that from the browser, or if you use the browser, I'm gonna go ahead and again go to youtube.com. Tap on the profile picture in the bottom. Same thing, go to the gear icon in the top right, and then go to general, and you find it right here. Keep in mind, if you turn it off on your browser, that doesn't mean it's going to turn it off on your YouTube application, even if you use the same account and the same YouTube account and Google account basically. So they work individually. Just keep that in mind, and that's it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and see you in future videos.